Do you feel irritated while doing crunches or planks on the floor? I often do. I mean, sometimes we all want to do a workout that does not involve sitting or lying down, right? Well, today I have just the right thing for you. Hey guys, today as a part of a 5-minute workout to reduce your belly fat. Let me take you through a standing abs workout that will help you shed your belly fat over time. Make sure you follow the rest of the routines for better results. So, let's get started. Our first workout is standing march with a twist. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip width apart, arms behind your head and abs engaged. Bring your right elbow to your left knee as you twist through your waist, then return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. Continue to alternate sides for a minute. Pro tip: focus on using your core, not your quads, to lift your knees. Squeeze your obliques throughout. Now it's time for you to follow me. Ready? Let's get started. Marching develops balance while increasing core stability. This exercise helps the aging athlete avoid shuffling when walking, which can lead to falls. It also helps increasing performance in single leg movements. It boosts the heart rate and burn calories. It elevates the functionality, strength and endurance of the core. We tend to round our lower back when we feel fatigued, but this makes the move less effective. So make sure you do not arch your back. During this workout, try to keep your spine straight. Because if you lean back too far, you're likely to slouch. Now, our next exercise is standing core rotation. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip width apart. Hold the dumbbell straight out in front of your chest with both hands. Move your torso slightly and slowly begin to rotate your arms to the right as far as you can. Pause for a second. Then rotate in the opposite direction. Alternate for 30 seconds during your first set. Pro tip: don't let your shoulders climb up to your ears. This means your upper traps are taking over. It's time you follow me. Ready? Let's get started. Standing stabilization exercise is great for working the muscles of your entire core. From your back to your hips, and they are another great excuse to skip the dreaded crunches. This exercise reduces back pain and improves stability. It is also beneficial for athletes as it helps in their training. It also improves posture and body composition. With these exercises, proper form is the most important thing. So focus on making controlled, precise movements throughout the workout. Our third exercise is standing side bend with dumbbells. How to do it? Stand with your feet hip width apart. Hold the dumbbell or kettlebell you can safely manage in one hand. Put your free arm on your waist. Bend from your waist towards the side you're holding the weights on. Engage your core to pull your torso back upright. Do the right side only for 1 minute, then the left side only for 1 minute. The alternate sides for 1 minute. Pro tip: make sure you're not sticking your butt out as you bend. It's time you follow me. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. It's effective in targeting the internal obliques muscles as well as the external oblique muscles. It promotes better posture. Standing side bend opens your upper body with a hip to shoulder stretch. It also strengthens your mid and lower core. While performing this, your abdominals and spinal erector muscles engage to help you balance as you fold to the side. It also increases your back strength and spinal mobility. The last exercise to reduce belly fat while standing is the overhead circle. How to do it? Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and hold a dumbbell or a medicine ball with both hands straight overhead. Use the weight to draw a large circle on the ceiling. Do 30 seconds in one direction, then 30 seconds in the opposite direction. Pro tip: engage your core throughout and keep your hips level high and straight. Keep your shoulders down too. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The overhead circle targets the shoulders and help to strengthen and tone your upper body and your core. This exercise also helps to improve the shoulder range of motion and reduces the risk of injury. This workout improves your core strength and balance. Now guys, lack of rigidity in the core, legs and upper body can impair overall success in this exercise. Make sure you do not bend your wrists and your elbows shouldn't flare out. Overhead circles reduces chance of injury, improves your ability to perform daily tasks and reduces potential pain associated with shoulder motion. If you have any type of injury that's aggravated by standing ab exercises, skip them until you're healed. A low back, hip flexor, neck or shoulder injury, depending on the nature of the injury and the exercise you want to do, could be aggravated by standing ab exercises. Now guys, overall, standing abs are a great way to charge up your ab routine and challenge your body. Also, please do not forget to consult a medical practitioner before trying this at home to know what is correct for you. Let me know if you tried this workout and keep watching this space for more interesting exercises to reduce your belly fat.